Calendar method. This is a very powerful natural method for conception and method to avoid pregnancy. Millions of women struggle to get pregnant. Some are having difficulties to use contraceptives because of its side effects. Using this calendar method, you will be able to monitor and calculate your ovulation or fertility period and help to solve your problems. However, this method is 98% effective for those who have a regular menstrual cycle. Now, what is ovulation and menstruation? Ovulation. Ovulation is a process where mature eggs release from your ovaries to be fertilized. Menstruation. Menstruation is commonly referred as your period. It is a bleeding that occurs after ovulation. And during menstruation, blood, mucus, and tissues flow out of the cervix and vagina each month. Before we start, these are the things you must remember. Visit your doctor or gynecologist to have a proper assessment from professionals. This method is 98% effective for regular menstrual cycle only. Note the first day of menstruation. Remember the 14th day where the ovulation happens. Remember rules -3 + 3. Eggs has 2 days lifespan. Sperms has 3 days lifespan. The length of menstruation is 3 to 7 days. Typically 28 to 30 days, can vary 32 to 35 days. Okay, let's talk about first how to use this calendar method to avoid pregnancy. Let's start now. Example, you have a 28 days regular cycle and you have your first period on October 4, October 5, and October 6. You have first period 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Take note the first day of your menstruation, which is October 4. This is the very important or significant to calculate your ovulation. Now, take note of this. First day. Now, to compute your ovulation, let's add 14 days from the first day of your menstruation. Let's start counting from day 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Alright, so 17. Therefore, your ovulation or fertility will happen on the 17th day of October. This is the most crucial or the peak of your ovulation that you should avoid it most to have any intimation or contact with your partner. After adding 14 days, let's apply the rule of -3 and +3. Let's count 3 days backward from the day 17 and let's add 3 days after 17. 17, let's backward 3 days, 1, 2, and 3. That's it. And 3 days after 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so your fertility days will be on 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that's it. These are your fertility days that you should avoid to make any contact with your partner to avoid pregnancy. Again, what are those days? From 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now let's talk about what are the safest days to have intimation or contact with your partner. To have intimation, the safest days are the days between 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 to 20. All of these are not safe, so the remaining days are your safest days. What are those? From, between. So these are the days you are safe. This one and this one. No. All of these days are safe to have contact with your partner. And there's one more thing. Lots of people is asking if it is safe to have contact during menstruation. Well, I suggest that you can have contact, but as possible, avoid it to avoid any infection. Again, guys, please be mindful that this calendar method will 99% works for those who has a regular menstrual cycle. Now, let's talk about how to get pregnant using this calendar method. First, let's have a very quick review. Ovulation happens at the 14th day of menstrual cycle, where the mature eggs release from the ovaries, and the eggs has 2 days or 48 hours of lifespan, and the sperm has a 3 days or 72 hours of lifespan. Now let's start for an example using this calendar method on how to get pregnant. Example, you have again your first period on October 4, 5, and 6. Again, take note again the first day of your menstruation, which is 4. And to compute your ovulation period or fertility day, let's start counting 14 days. Add 14 days again. Start from the first day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So this will be your ovulation, and the rule +3 and -3. So +3 before 17, 16, 15, and 14. Next, +3 after 17, which is the ovulation period, 18, 19, and 20. So these are your fertility days from the day 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These are the days you can easily get pregnant, or if you, as possible, to have intimation with your partner. But you should make a contact with your partner 3 times a week in every other day. That is my suggestion, every other day, to avoid any stress between you and your partners. So you can do it on these days. You can do it on 13. You can do it on 13. Then 15 every other day, guys. On 15, of course, 17 and 19. Yes, and always remember that you should consider the lifespan of your egg and your sperm. They are still alive or fertilized inside your uterus for almost 3 to 5 days. So if you want to get pregnant, follow this or do this on your fertility days or during your ovulation. Again, guys, what are the days you can easily get pregnant? On the day during your fertilization or your fertile day, or on your ovulation period, which is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright, that's it. I hope you understand my simple way of sharing this method, And if you like this video, please comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel to be updated to the next upcoming videos. So thank you again for watching, and see you again